짠짠, 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 짠짠. 어디 가세요? Hello friends, Maya here from Simple Mountain Life. We had a big downpour last night and many parts of the nearby city are flooded. But up here on the mountain, we are enjoying a fabulous morning, bathed in sunlight. Today, I am excited to announce that my pottery studio is finally ready. Yay! I want to share the building process with you and also let you know that I have created a website where I post daily photos of mountain life and my creative journey. You can find it at buymeacoffee.com/HillTopHut. There you will see my daily blog post and my shop. I hope you will check it out. The links are in the description box below. Now, let me walk you through how it all came together. We began by digging a canal for the foundation and filling it with the rocks. We made borders with wooden planks, then mixed cement, sand, and pebbles to fill the space between the rocks. During these first 4 days, from day 1 to day 4, Pedro worked mostly by himself. I was there to assist, but he handled the heavy work on his own. Pedro is an amazing friend who has helped me with so many projects here on the mountain. I am truly grateful for his skills and strengths. We harvest some eucalyptus tree and I am so thankful for this gift from nature. Just as I built my house with them, now I am building my studio. The trunk becomes structure and the branches become firewood. Nothing goes to waste. From day 5 to day 8, another friend, Gonzalez, joined the project. We dedicated the first 2 days to cutting timbers from the eucalyptus tree, then spent following 2 days building the structure and setting the tin roof in place. We have had so much rain that it caused landslides and damaged parts of the road. But Pedro and Gonzalez had no trouble reaching to the mountain on their motorbikes. Thanks to their determination, the construction continued without interruption.
Acá es más barato.
Despite the mountain road being in bad condition, we were fortunately able to transport the tin roof without much trouble. The studio is now covered and already usable. But of course, a pottery studio needs more than just a roof over it, right? After completing the roof, we moved forward with steady progress. On day 9, Pedro installed additional posts to reinforce the roof structure. Together, we enclosed the space by putting up tin sheets for the walls, transforming the frame into a proper shelter. Gonzalez returned on day 10 to help cut some additional timber pieces we needed. With the freshly cut wood, we completed the front entrance, installing posts that frame the doorway nicely. On the day 11, Pedro installed all shelves units I had brought up from the restaurant after closing its door. He also treated all the wooden elements with diesel, which is the common practice here to protect against wood-boring insects. The smell is quite strong at first. I was a bit afraid of it, but it would completely disappear after 3 to 4 days, leaving the wood well protected. And then came day 12. Finally, the studio is completed. What a perfect timing, as I'm feeling especially joyful with this gorgeous mountain sunlight pouring in this morning. It's as if the mountain itself is welcoming this new creative space. Yay! Now it's time to look at inside. Come with me, I will show you what we've done inside. I have shelves, 2 working tables, and 2 drying racks. And here's my simple portable wheel. Over here in this corner, I'm planning to make a little fireplace where I can boil water for tea or coffee. The floor may get some attention later, but for now it's just fine as it is. And this is a small sitting area, perfect for watching the cloud dance by. And look at this area here. I covered the tin walls with a shower curtain given to me by a friend. The metal was too shiny and harsh for my eyes, so this makes the perfect solution. I planned to add more shower curtains to cover the rest of the shiny tin walls, creating a soft, more pleasant atmosphere. Now it's time to talk about the cost. The total construction came to $923.15, $498.15 for materials, which is cement, sand, pebbles, tin roof, transportation, and small items, and $400.25 for labor. Surprising, isn't it? I have found that simplicity and action are the keys to turning dreams into reality. Had I gotten caught up in creating the perfect studio from the beginning with beautiful walls finishes instead of simple tin sheet, polished floors, and all those extras, I might still be in the planning phases, overwhelmed by the scope. This is especially true when working with limited funds. By embracing a more practical approach, I now have a functional studio space where I can create rather than just a perfect plan on a paper. The whole studio is simple, functional, and open to nature. What more could I ask for? I'm just very thankful. From now on, I will be dedicating myself to producing and creating my pottery line, involving plenty of work, but it's something I'm truly excited about. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my story. So this is for today, and then I will see you in the next video.